You're watching the Weiss channel. Today I'm showing some solving by factoring in multiple different methods. So today my students have an assignment in what's called IXL, and they're going to see many different types. So I'm just going to show the different types you're going to see today. For example, if you have w squared minus 26w, the only thing common is w, so you factor out a w. W times w minus 26 equals 0. So you say w equals 0, and w minus 26 equals 0. You get w equals 0 and w equals 26. In your answer, in IXL today, you just put 0, 26, okay? So hopefully you see this as being pretty easy, and if you want, you can just jump to the answer. Like you see, okay, g squared minus 23g, the g is common, right? So you just say, all right, 0 and positive 23. Remember how I talked about if this was a minus, then your answer would be positive. And then if this is a positive, your answer will be negative, okay? So here you have y squared plus 3y minus 10 equals 0, which factors to y plus 5 and y minus 2, right? So since it's plus 5, your answer is going to be negative 5, and since this is minus 2, your answer is going to be positive 2. So negative 5, positive 2. X squared plus 4x minus 12 factors to x plus 6x minus 2. So your answer is negative 6 and positive 2. P squared plus 13p minus 14 factors to p plus 14p minus 1. So your answer is negative 14 and 1. 30f squared. Now we have a number before the squared term. All right. So you got to play around a little bit. It's going to be 15f plus 1 times 2f plus 1. So your answer is going to be, right, if this is positive 1, right, then your answer is going to be negative 1 over 15 and negative 1 over 2, right? Okay. And now your IXL program, after doing a couple of those, sends you back to this, which is what's common to both, just the p. You take out the p, and you're left with 37p minus 34. So your answer is p equals 0, and then positive 34 over 37, right? And then going back to the 3 terms, you factor 8p plus 1 times p minus 2. Your answer is negative 1/8 and positive 2. Over here, now they have something common to all 3 terms. What's common to all 3 terms is an 8. You factor that out, and that becomes part of your garbage answer. So you don't need it. So you got 3m squared minus 7m minus 6 equals 0, and that factors to 3m plus 2 times m minus 3. So your answer is negative 2/3 and positive 3. 3k squared minus 14k plus 16 factors to 3k minus 8 times k minus 2. Your answer is 8 over 3 positive and positive 2. 8k squared minus 49k plus 6 equals 0. That's going to factor to 8k minus 1 times k minus 6. So your answer is positive 1 over 8 and positive 6. You've been watching the Weiss channel.